Hi guys and girls, it's the Abominable Blacksmith here, and today we're going to see how far we're getting with our drift anvil. So right now I have this plate set up at a 90-degree angle so that when we cut through this, it's going to be completely flat, so that it'll be flat against the drift anvil piece. Face shield as always, filtration mask. Make sure that you keep these little pieces like this for some canister Damascus. Might do some soon if you guys want it. Okay, now we got the 4 pieces to cut. Now, a little bit warm there. We're going to want to clean up the ends so that they kind of sit flat. Okay, so I have plates like these that fit with this. And once I drive them down, they'll fit perfectly flat and square on the ground. So I don't really need to have these edges completely square, which they really aren't. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is welding just these on with my flux core welder. We're going to be using a stick welder to weld the plate on for added strength. But since this is just going to be the feet, it's not going to need a lot of strength. Well, the plate for the feet. So how we're going to want to start this is start with the tack weld so that we can get it to a true 90. And then go in for a full weld around. Okay, so the customer didn't want the type of axe that he wants that we made, but he didn't tell me in the first place. I used my brother's head as kind of like a small design, but yeah, we turned it into a bearded axe so now it could hook onto things. The handle's very smooth. We had to do this because he asked for a rough forge finish, and I said that after a while all of this rough forge finish will turn back to here. Well, will return back over here, but it may take a while. But yeah, so we're gonna test it out. There. Shaven sharp. Okay guys and girls, here it is, the final product of the drift anvil. Now, I mainly made this because 1/2 inch stock just goes right through my anvil, but if I'm like drifting a hammer or something, then yeah, I need something a little bit bigger, which this gives me. And we welded the feet on to a plate underneath for a wider base so it doesn't wiggle around as much, and also put another 55-pound anvil on it. So yeah, there we go. Oh, and final height 30.5 inches, basically about my wrist.